Having gone through the auxiliary verbs, the usage of will and shall, we will do two short exercises for us to practice what we learned. So, what we are going to do is fill in the blanks with shall or will. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with shall or will. Shall or will. Sometimes we can use both, only in certain cases that we will see, okay? Fill in the blanks with shall or will. Now, the first sentence I have here is the wicked. The wicked. The wicked, and then we'll see what to fill in, dash, perish. Then I will write down the sentences, then we will see how to fill in with what. I dash succeed or die in the attempt. In the attempt. Next, you dash be dismissed. Dismissed if you disobey. Disobey my orders. My orders. The fourth one, I think we dash win the match. The fifth one, I dash not be trifled with. That is troubled. Next I have he dash obey us. You dash leave the room at once. The room at once. Eighth one, we dash never. We dash never have him. Never have him. Never have him as our leader. As our leader. Ninth one, I dash have my own way. Have my own way. My own way. Tenth we have you dash be my queen. Be my queen. One more. I dash be 20. Next Wednesday. And the last. Okay. Now, I've got here some sentences for us to look at. As I told you, we are going to use shall or will. But in some cases, both can be used. The first sentence, we are supposed to fill in the blanks with shall or will. The wicked will perish. No, normally we say, the wicked shall. The wicked shall perish. And the second sentence we have, I dash succeed or die in the attempt. Here it is determination. I will. Here we are talking about determination. I will succeed. I will. We're talking about determination. I will succeed or die in the attempt. You dash be dismissed. Here, the third one, according to what we learned, in the model auxiliary, they say shall and will sometimes can be used same. Now, you will be dismissed if you obey my orders, but you can also say you shall be dismissed. So, we can say you shall be dismissed if you obey my orders. Shall. You shall be dismissed if you obey my orders. Shall be dismissed if you disobey my orders. You can also say you will be dismissed if you disobey. So, you shall. In this case, in the third sentence, alone, we can use either shall or will according to the rule we learned earlier. So, you shall be dismissed if you disobey my order. You can also say here, you will be dismissed if you disobey. Okay, that is the rare case. In the fourth one, I think we dash the match. I think we shall. I think we shall win the match. I think we shall win the match. So playing the match and we are going to win it. So they are very happy. Fifth one, I dash not be trifled with, troubled with. I will not. Very good. I will not be troubled with. Trifled is troubled. I will not be troubled with. Okay. Next one. He dash obey us. Here it is order. He will obey us. Very good. He will. You're ordering the person. He will obey us. Okay. And in the next one, you dash leave the room at once. Again here, exception, just like the third one, you can use both here. Now, you will say, you shall leave the room at once. But you can also say, you will leave the room. You will leave the room at once. So, the third sentence and the seventh sentence, you can use either will or shall. The eighth one, we dash never have him as our leader. Here it is, we shall. We shall never have him. We shall never have him as our leader. Shall. Then, in the next one, ninth one, I dash have my own way. Here you're determined. I will have my own way. Here it is, I will have my own way. Determined to have your way. 10th one. Again, the 10th one is an exception. You shall be my queen. We can also say, you will be my queen. So the 10th one is, you shall be. You shall be my queen. You can also say, I will be. You will be my queen. Either will or shall can be used in these two. Next one. And the last one is, I dash be 20. I will be 20 next Wednesday. I will. Let's go through all the sentences I have here. Fill in the blanks with shall or will. And in the cases like 3rd, 7th, and 10th. Let's look at the 3rd one, exception, the 7th one, and the 10th one. We can use both. You can use either shall or will, and it is perfect. The wicked shall perish. I will succeed or die in the attempt. You shall be dismissed if you disobey my orders, or you will be dismissed if you disobey my orders. 4th, I think we shall win the match. And the 5th one, I will not be trifled with. 6th one, he will obey us. And the 7th one, you shall leave the room at once, or you will leave the room at once. And the 8th one, we shall never have him as our leader. 9th one, I will have my own way. And the 10th one here, you can use any. You shall be my queen, or you will be my queen. And finally, I will be 20 next Wednesday. So we will do one more set of sentences for us to recollect, practice what we learned, the usage of will and shall.